初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I feel a bit nervous.
I feel a bit nervous.
我有点紧张。
I feel a bit nervous.
I feel a bit nervous.
I'm excited about today.
I'm excited about today.
我对今天感到兴奋。
I'm excited about today.
I'm excited about today.
I'm feeling more confident now.
I'm feeling more confident now.
我现在感觉更有信心了。
I'm feeling more confident now.
I'm feeling more confident now.
I'm a little overwhelmed.
I'm a little overwhelmed.
我有点不知所措。
I'm a little overwhelmed.
I'm a little overwhelmed.
I feel really calm now.
I feel really calm now.
我现在感觉很平静。
I feel really calm now.
I feel really calm now.
I'm getting frustrated again.
I'm getting frustrated again.
我又开始感到沮丧了。
I'm getting frustrated again.
I'm getting frustrated again.
I'm proud of myself today.
I'm proud of myself today.
我今天为自己感到骄傲。
I'm proud of myself today.
I'm proud of myself today.
I feel much more relaxed.
I feel much more relaxed.
我感觉放松多了。
I feel much more relaxed.
I feel much more relaxed.
I'm in a great mood.
I'm in a great mood.
我心情很好。
I'm in a great mood.
I'm in a great mood.
I'm not feeling well today.
I'm not feeling well today.
我今天感觉不舒服。
I'm not feeling well today.
I'm not feeling well today.
I'm getting a bit emotional.
I'm getting a bit emotional.
我有点情绪化了。
I'm getting a bit emotional.
I'm getting a bit emotional.
I feel very encouraged now.
I feel very encouraged now.
我现在感到很受鼓舞。
I feel very encouraged now.
I feel very encouraged now.
I'm trying to stay positive.
I'm trying to stay positive.
我努力保持积极。
I'm trying to stay positive.
I'm trying to stay positive.
I'm feeling much stronger.
I'm feeling much stronger.
我感觉强壮多了。
I'm feeling much stronger.
I'm feeling much stronger.
I feel totally refreshed.
I feel totally refreshed.
我感觉完全恢复了精神。
I feel totally refreshed.
I feel totally refreshed.
I'm a little disappointed.
I'm a little disappointed.
我有点失望。
I'm a little disappointed.
I'm a little disappointed.
I'm feeling really grateful.
I'm feeling really grateful.
我真的感到很感激。
I'm feeling really grateful.
I'm feeling really grateful.
I'm getting more comfortable.
I'm getting more comfortable.
我越来越自在了。
I'm getting more comfortable.
I'm getting more comfortable.
I feel a bit confused.
I feel a bit confused.
我有点困惑。
I feel a bit confused.
I feel a bit confused.
I feel happy for you.
I feel happy for you.
我为你感到高兴。
I feel happy for you.
I feel happy for you.
I'm not angry anymore.
I'm not angry anymore.
我不再生气了。
I'm not angry anymore.
I'm not angry anymore.
I'm feeling hopeful again.
I'm feeling hopeful again.
我又感到有希望了。
I'm feeling hopeful again.
I'm feeling hopeful again.
I'm a bit stressed today.
I'm a bit stressed today.
我今天有点压力。
I'm a bit stressed today.
I'm a bit stressed today.
I feel very inspired now.
I feel very inspired now.
我现在感到很受启发。
I feel very inspired now.
I feel very inspired now.
I'm feeling pretty good.
I'm feeling pretty good.
我感觉相当不错。
I'm feeling pretty good.
I'm feeling pretty good.
I'm trying to stay calm.
I'm trying to stay calm.
我努力保持冷静。
I'm trying to stay calm.
I'm trying to stay calm.
I feel tired but okay.
I feel tired but okay.
我累了，但还好。
I feel tired but okay.
I feel tired but okay.
I'm feeling very motivated.
I'm feeling very motivated.
我感到非常有动力。
I'm feeling very motivated.
I'm feeling very motivated.
I feel better after resting.
I feel better after resting.
休息后，我感觉好多了。
I feel better after resting.
I feel better after resting.
I'm feeling more focused.
I'm feeling more focused.
我感觉更专注了。
I'm feeling more focused.
I'm feeling more focused.
I'm a little unsure now.
I'm a little unsure now.
我现在有点不确定。
I'm a little unsure now.
I'm a little unsure now.
I feel really supported.
I feel really supported.
我真的感到很受支持。
I feel really supported.
I feel really supported.
I'm feeling very peaceful.
I'm feeling very peaceful.
我感到非常平静。
I'm feeling very peaceful.
I'm feeling very peaceful.
I feel proud of you.
I feel proud of you.
我为你感到骄傲。
I feel proud of you.
I feel proud of you.
I'm feeling a bit nervous.
I'm feeling a bit nervous.
我有点紧张。
I'm feeling a bit nervous.
I'm feeling a bit nervous.
I'm trying to relax more.
I'm trying to relax more.
我努力更放松一些。
I'm trying to relax more.
I'm trying to relax more.
I feel the pressure today.
I feel the pressure today.
我今天感到压力。
I feel the pressure today.
I feel the pressure today.
I'm feeling more balanced.
I'm feeling more balanced.
我感觉更平衡了。
I'm feeling more balanced.
I'm feeling more balanced.
I feel excited for tomorrow.
I feel excited for tomorrow.
我对明天感到兴奋。
I feel excited for tomorrow.
I feel excited for tomorrow.
I'm feeling safe with you.
I'm feeling safe with you.
和你在一起，我感到安全。
I'm feeling safe with you.
I'm feeling safe with you.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。